the number, the coefficient can be different. We have an A, both of these A have a degree of 1. The B, both of the B's are squared, so they have to be exactly alike in order to be able to combine them. 10 points for epic. Okay, 4ab squared and negative 5ab squared are like. Even though they have the same AB, they don't all have the same exponent. So that's what we have to be really, really careful about when we're adding and subtracting polynomials. If you just came in, if you can grab in the front. Okay, another thing that we need to know with like terms, constants, numbers, 1, 2, 3, are like terms. Crystal, of these, which are like terms? Negative 3 and 0, they are constants, they are like terms. So if you are adding or subtracting, you can combine that negative 3 and 0. Good, 10 points for Phoenix. Rambo. Gloria, which terms are alike?
3x and x.
Yep, 3x and x. And let's see. Okay, 10 points for Rambo, and our last one, Jose. Which terms are alike? This one's a little bit more tricky.
Add 2wx and 4wx. Take no color. Yeah.
They are like, this one's a little more tricky because they're in a different order, but it's the same variables and they have the same degree. We've got the w, we have the x, and they're both to the first degree. 10 points for .NET. Alright, timeout. Let's see. All teammates here and on time. Miss, I'm not here. Marina gotta get to class on time. Phoenix, were you guys all here on time? Alright, 100 points for Phoenix. They're just gonna keep kicking butt, guys. Epic, almost. Stallions, no, we've got one team all here and all on time. Alright, so we're going to go through step by step. I'd like you to follow along on your notes as we go through this. After this, guys, there's going to be a team challenge, so make sure you're paying attention as we go through this so that you guys can win the team challenge. Alright, step 1. We have this example up top, x squared plus 3x plus 1, and we are adding 4x squared plus 5. Our first step is to underline like terms. Which terms, Karina, do you see are alike?
X squared and 4x.
Yeah, we've got x squared and 4x squared. Caesar, what other two do you see that are alike? 1 and 5. So we're going to underline x squared, 4x squared, and 1 and 5. So step 1, what is step 1? What is it? I heard it. Underline the terms. Good. Okay, notice that 3x does not have a like term, so it's not going to be combined with any other number. Okay, step 2 is to add the coefficients of the like term. We're not going to change the variables. We're not going to change the exponents. All we're going to do is add the coefficients. Question, x squared, what number is in front of that x squared? 1. So when we add them up, we're going to combine the x squared and the 4x squared, and we come to our final answer, which is 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, Jose, I have an extension question. We've got 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. what is the polynomial name based on how many terms there are?
Trinomial.
Trinomial, we have 3 terms. Tri is 3, it is a trinomial. What about Leslie, what's the highest degree?
2.
2, so what type of function would it be? No. I hear it over here. Karina, what would it be? With a degree of 2. Quadratic. What shape will it look like if we graphed it? Parabola. Good. Okay, so we're going to try, I'm going to put on some music, and you're going to try the next 3 on your own. Okay, so you have space. Sure, if you have questions, I'll be circulating. You have space to copy down the question, your final answer. Also classified it by degree and by number of terms. You can use your chart on the front to help you out. Okay?